In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view ticket history in Jira. If you're new to Jira or just need a refresher on how to trace back changes in a ticket, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the steps together so you can get a comprehensive understanding of this process. First, you need to navigate to the project you're interested in. This is the foundational step, as Jira organizes everything by projects, so ensuring you're in the right one is crucial. Once you've identified and clicked on the right project, the next thing you want to do is look at the top of your Jira dashboard for the Issues tab. Clicking on this will take you to a list of all the issues within your project. Think of this as your gateway to exploring the details of any specific ticket you're concerned with. Now find the particular Jira ticket for which you'd like to view the history. Depending on your project, this might require scrolling through your list or using a filter to locate the exact ticket faster. Once you've got that ticket open, you'll need to scroll down the issue view panel. What you're looking for is the activity section. This section is very useful as it houses the history, comments, work logs, and other crucial activities related to the ticket. Within the activity section, you'll see a tab for history. Click on that next to the comments tab. This is like flipping the page in a book to reveal the story of everything that's happened to this ticket over time. Here you will find a chronological list of all updates made on that particular issue. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see what changes have been made, providing a transparent view of the ticket's evolution. It's pretty much your ticket's autobiography. Furthermore, you can identify who made each update. This is a great way to trace back any changes and connect them to team members, allowing you to communicate effectively if further clarification or discussion is needed. The time and date stamps will also be visible so you can see exactly when each modification was carried out, a tool that is extremely helpful for tracking progress over time. Additionally, not only will you see changes to the issue's content, but also a record of comments, any work logs, and modifications to the issue's status or assignee. This complete record ensures you're not missing any piece of information about how this ticket has progressed. And there you have it, your complete guide to viewing ticket history in Jira. Now you're armed with the knowledge to navigate Jira's history function efficiently, ensuring you stay on top of all the changes in your project. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher.